everybody, ôltər here. Nomad and I are back playing episode 4 of Vintage Story. Hope you enjoy. So yeah,
Yeah.
also it's morning instead of nighttime, because I definitely didn't forget to... I didn't forget again, I swear.
Definitely not.
Look, we have basket.
As soon as I get in there, I'll be happy to see it.
Fair enough.
Still just launching client instance.
Right? It must be in there.
Just taking its time.
What's a saw?
Oh, there we are. Hello.
Hello. Okay, we have about 40 minutes. What should we focus on?
Let's see. I think we still need some more food, right?
We definitely need more food. I have 10 berries.
I don't actually have any food.
Let us... Do you want to go north or see what's on the, like, out in that forest that way? What do you think?
Which way?
That way. Like north, west.
Let's try northwest, yeah.
Okay. One sec. Oh, I already had a knife. Oh well, now I have 2 knives. That's fine. Around the water we go.
Around the water we go.
You almost ran into a knife.
Almost.
It's a good thing
Berries.
there's not law enforcement here, because I don't know how well I could have defended myself from that. He ran right into the knife, I swear! I promise!
Listen, we both done this repeatedly. It's okay. Officer, why aren't you listening? Why is that not a good excuse?
Yeah. What do you mean I'm under arrest?
It could happen to anyone.
Could have happened to you. Yeah! All in jest, of course.
Yes.
Don't actually do this. Oh yeah, monsters are active, right?
They should be, I think.
Cool, so I shouldn't be standing very close to this rift here, should I?
Probably not.
Black coat. Is that more peat? No, that must be medium fertility soil.
It does exist.
It does exist. I mean, you did bring back a bunch of it from wherever.
From, yeah, spawn.
Oh, I should make
More
a stick.
cattails again.
Nice. Oh god, that scared me so bad.
What was it?
Help, it's a boar! He's so mad, I don't have a spear. I should have made a spear. I'm so dumb.
I also don't have a spear.
Ah! I hear bees. Run, deer. There's a boar. Don't go that way. There's something ahead of you.
It's baby boar.
No, there was a red something ahead of you. Did he
Oh,
give
there's
up?
a lot of red things over here.
He gave up. Woo. I'm gonna make a spear. I'm a big brain it. I'm gonna make a spear. And then we will get that boar and eat it.
Eat the boar.
Delicious.
Delicious.
We'll make a delicious pot roast out of it.
Yes.
I said, hey, Hey, common morels.
I found some lobster mushrooms too. And some of the chicken of the woods.
Ooh, amazing. Those grow naturally around here, though. I've never seen them myself. I've also never eaten them, but I'm kind of curious to try. I heard they're really good grilled.
Well, I bet. I mean, it's got chicken in the name.
Hi.
Hello. I should probably also make a spear, right?
Yes, yes, you should. Probably. Hello, boar. End
Your
your
time has come.
sad existence. Miss. I didn't mean to crouch. I'm getting my games confused. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? This one. I don't... Probably shouldn't try to hunt in the mist.
You know,
That's a deer. This deer appears to be stuck.
just further south of you. Ooh, hey, resin.
How many is this gonna take? Man, this deer took so many stabs. I got a deer. He
Nice.
was stuck. I don't really understand what he was stuck on, but he was stuck. Come back here. Haha! Got him.
Nice. I just cut up.
Yeah. There's one right here. Yep.
Up. What happened to my spear?
Did you throw it?
Did I accidentally throw it? Where'd it go?
It might be doing the ghost thing in your inventory again. Try moving stuff around in your pockets.
Ah, there it is.
I wonder why that's doing that. Come back here, you coward.
Let's see.
We're hungry, I'm sorry. Ah! These trees look like low, but I'm not gonna run towards whatever that red dot is. Oh, it's a piglet. What? Oh, it is. Don't know if it's the same one, but... There's a lot of bees out here. There's a shiver following you, don't stop running. Uh-oh. Ah. Ah. There's another shiver! Or it's the same one and we cross paths, He stopped to shiver, we should be okay.
Which way did it go?
I think
Of course, the boar is directly behind the shiver.
Figures. Okay, moving on to other locations.
Yes.
Shivers might be a bit dangerous. Basalt! Bath salts! If you know, you know.
And as always, more sticks.
Did this boar just eliminate something? I just saw a red dot disappear. Right where the boar were. I don't have much health.
Oh,
I
where'd that boar go?
Oh, that didn't damage him? Ow. My screen's coming from it. Oh,
Can't really see him, but, you know, fog.
I know, this fog is really annoying. What is with the games in the fog this time? Nice.
Got him.
I'm so injured. Jeez.
Here we go. Meat. Alright, now that that's done. Oh, probably not over there. There's lots of red over there. Whew.
I can't see anything. I'm so injured.
Yeah, we're both very injured.
Quest-tail poultice. You have to make linen for that? Jeez,
Oh,
what
no.
about Band-aids? Also made from linen or flax? That's pants. Does it make sense? Yes. Can I still say it's pants? Yes.
Okay, I'm going to need to eat the chicken of the woods. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay. Shall we head home?
Yes, definitely. Please.
We have a bit of food. It's foggy. My bloody wound isn't helping much.
Well, I really doubt that would help. We should definitely move off to the side here.
What do you mean? I don't see anything dangerous down there. Definitely not a red dot on a skull and crossbones. What could be scary about that?
Oh, I went to the map and saw what it was.
Is it a bear?
It's a black bear, yes.
How lovely. I mean, that's the smallest and least aggressive of the bears.
Yes, but I also have 3 bars of health left.
Oh, that's more than me. I have 1.5-ish.
Oh.
It's actually closer to like 1 and 2/3, but you chose the direction that has us having to scale or slot between these stupid hills. The hills
The hills.
are not alive with music, just cicadas.
Cicadas and suffering.
Cicadas and suffering. If we had episode names, we should name this one that. Cicadas and Suffering.
And we could. Let's see. Which way?
Straight down
we're going...
and to the right.
We got
Ooh.
very far, apparently.
Yeah, careful coming down. A little bit of fall damage might
Might end us.
end us. Could be the end for us.
Indeed. Oh, then we would have an easier time walking back.
Potentially. And they're walking right into more. No, they're chickens. That's good.
It's curious that the chickens are orange rather than being green.
I know,
I
right?
think potentially like attack and stuff?
The roosters will sometimes attack, yeah.
Huh.
I would not head the direction that you're heading. FYI.
I see.
Just thought you would rather not walk into whatever that is. I didn't look at see what it is, but
I guess it's wolves.
wolves. A stick.
There's so many things around.
I know. There are quite a lot of things. There's actually quite a lot of things. I feel like normally it's a little bit more dead than this, but I'm not gonna complain. Chicken. I hear the cheeks.
Jeeps.
Yes, finally. Is it the end of the fog? No, we're just slightly high enough to be away from the fog.
There is no real escape from the fog.
I see home.
Oh.
How's our furnace roast? I think all these are done. The charcoal kiln is not, but everything else looks done.
Hey, egg.
Wait, you found an egg?
No, our egg.
Oh, the dragon egg. Okay, I was like there's just a chicken egg sitting around?
Alright, nice. Let's see here.
My friend, I hate to say it again.
What?
This is a hellhammer.
I know, but I got a regular hammer too.
Did you? Oh, right there. Okay.
I made this one, realized my mistake, made the other one.
No worries. What's weird is I looked at this and like for whatever reason my brain registered it as the axe, and it's clearly not the axe. So my apologize for my our torch is gone. Whatever. My assumption. You did good. Did you make 2 bowls or a single bowl?
I made 2 bowls. I have one with me. Do you have firewood?
There's none of my
My
pockets.
inventory is full.
Are you starving?
I'm starving. Wait, I have an onion. A singular onion. I don't even know where I got it.
Probably from when I was like picking onions. There you go.
Alright.
Wait, make another one. And then, here, give me, if you have any hides, give them to me. Take that meat. Stop giving me back some of it. Ah. Oh, and
Oh, sweet. Let's see here.
did you make the vessel? No.
I thought I did.
No vessel.
Okay, we have a little bit of meat left over. So I'm just going to cook that over the fire as well. Wait. Yeah. That'll be faster. And we need some food. Ate one of the extra meats, and now I'm back up to 3 bars of hunger.
Yeah,
2 flats. That's something.
it is.
Wait, no, we have 4. I have 2 on me.
Nice.
Would you like some meat?
Yes. No, I'm doing better than you are on food. Go ahead and eat it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I ate berries.
Must have found a lot of berries.
Like 14. Like, I'm not super high, but I have more than whatever you said yours was.
Well, thank you. Those brought me up to half.
Nice. I'll eat some of this food.
Oh, hey, it's done.
When the fire's done, don't forget to take the excess wood out.
Right, yes. Delicious.
Okay, you want to start getting copper? Let's see, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units of copper going. 600 units of copper going. I mean, 600.
600 units of copper, okay.
Yeah. I did put some in the chest in the house.
Yes, I've also added some in there.
Do you have any cattails?
I put them all over here.
Okay. On the ground somewhere.
Yeah. By a dragon egg-ish. But I think you put some there initially.
That sounds like one.
Let's see, we need 600. We have 4 left after that. 4 pieces of copper.
I'm more amazed that we had enough for it in the first place. Now I just gotta wait for our pit kill to finish. It's not done, don't open it.
Yeah. More cattails?
Need to get these, need to make tongs for the thingy.
Those use cattails?
You need rope for it.
Ah.
Rope versus cattails. There we go. We have a thingy. 2-block tall wall. And I could just have made a tool rack. What do you think the odds are we'd find lime or borax around here?
Probably low, unfortunately. Did find a lot more copper, though. What are all those? Fire flowers. Oh,
Butterflies.
surface bowthorn.
Oh. Oh, you mean the red thing. I see.
Yeah.
It's probably time to get inside.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, we are inside. Congratulations, guys.
We made it inside.
I don't even know why I said this. Let's see here. Do we have any clay left? Do you have clay?
I have so much clay left.
Please give me
Would you
some.
like clay?
I don't need a ton of clay. Don't toss it all at me, but some clay.
A stack.
Okay. Do you want to make, do you want to pan or do you want to make vessels? Because one of us is going to do one and the other's going to do the other.
I can pan.
Okay.
Do we have a bowl ready made for that?
No. The axe is just outside the door. Oh, we need a log for it though. one scout. Not enough for a chest. It seems.
Alright, I'll go get the... I have an axe on me.
Alright, you need, I think, just one wood. Oh, you don't need an axe, you need a knife. You need a knife and one log. Like, an altered log.
Yes, I will go and grab it on an altered log then.
I will make vessels, I guess. Hey, you can toss all the rest of your clay at me.
Yep.
When you come back.
When I come back, yes. How do you empty a bowl of water?
Wonderful question. Maybe control right click on dry ground?
Let's see.
Or you could just drink it.
Ah, there it is. It wouldn't let me drink it.
Oh, well, I don't know then.
Alright, now back to panning.
I sound so bored.
Do I sound bored?
That was a hefty sigh there. I'm totally not gonna leave this door open and you in danger at all.
Alright.
You'll be fine. Nothing to
Yeah.
worry about. Let's see here. So we have an axe, a pickaxe, shears, saw, spear, nails. Okay.
No, it's
How's it going?
let's see, what have I got? 4 copper, 2 blue clay, and 5 claystone stones.
Delightful. We should sleep because it's only 2300.
Alright.
And I personally don't feel like spending the entire however long the nighttime is just sitting here watching you pan.
Yeah, that would probably not be the most fun thing. If you'd like, I do a second log.
No.
Oh wow, that dropped me down to half hunger.
Good thing there's still a little stew in the pot. Yeah, there's still some food in the pot.
Okay, nice.
We're now out of food in the pot.
Yes. But, back up to full health.
Nice.
I think that was part of why my hunger dropped so low there.
Oh, it was regenning.
Was regenning, because because we were so very hungry.
Mm-hmm. Alright, time to fill her up with dry grass again.
Time to get more dry grass than I have a single dry grass. Oh, there my knife.
There's another one leaning up against the house. Okay, that's all my dry grass, but the only ones that still need it are the ones on this side. Nomad.
Yep, just finishing up this little area.
Like I must finish trimming the lawn.
I must mow. Alright, let's see here. Okay. Dry grass done.
Nice.
And it is unfortunately about time for me to head out.
No worries. Thanks for playing.
Thanks. Thank you.